Dictionary YT at Dictionary it. In a general sense, a snowstorm refers to a weather event characterized by heavy snowfall, often accompanied by strong winds and reduced visibility. Snowstorms can vary in intensity, ranging from light flurries to blizzards, which can cause significant disruption to transportation, infrastructure, and daily activities. In regions where snowstorms are common, communities and authorities typically prepare by implementing snow removal measures, issuing travel advisories, and encouraging residents to stay indoors until conditions improve. Snowstorms can be both beautiful and hazardous, shaping landscapes and impacting daily life in numerous ways.